Overhead water tank automatic level control system. List of input and outputs. Okay. Overhead tank high level switch input. Which one is called input? OTSL SW Z2. Okay. Assigned by Z2. Okay. Overhead tank low level switch input OTLLSW, which is assigned by used uh, Z1. After that, well low level switch input WLL which is assigned in I1. Okay. Then auto manual switch input AM SW, which is I2. Okay, this one I2. Then start switch input, which is start SW I3, which is start SW is called I3. Stop switch input. Okay, stop SW, which is called I4. Okay, then our motor pump per run. Okay, this one motor coil output MTR coil, which is called Q1. Okay, this one, this description for this drawing language. Okay, so now we want to start our drawing low level switch. This one AM auto manual switch. Okay, this one auto manual switch. This one is start switch, this one is stop, and this one motor. After that, we draw here, then motor. This one for after motor run, it's held to hold the motor contactor. We go from here. Okay, this one OTHL Z2, this one Z1, this one auto manual same. Okay, this one also goes to join motor. After that, okay, this one motor, hold it. Okay, now I think drawing already finished, very easy. Now you already understand I1, I2, I3, I4, Q1, I2, Z1, Z2, Q1, motor. Okay, Q1. Okay, now we can simulation this system. Okay, start simulation. We are using I1, I2, I3, I4. This one Z key, we are using Z1, Z2, and this one output, we are using Q1. If we go auto mode, okay, low level on, motor on, high level go, motor off, auto mode. So I want to go auto mode. Okay, auto mode, which one? 2. This one auto mode on. After that, okay, motor is still not running. Then I start, but not running. Okay, because this one already in auto mode. So I go this one low level switch on. Okay, low level switch I on only. Now this one Q1 on, Q1, that means motor on. Okay, on. After that, motor tank fill. Okay, tank full. Okay, after tank full, this one automatically stop. Q1 also stop.